What if I told you there was a Caesar's resort unlike any other, and it's the best Caesar's resort ever? Welcome to Harrah, Southern California in Valley View, or also known as Funner. Stay to the end and we'll reveal what makes this resort truly stand out. There's a very spacious bathroom with both a shower and a tub. Generally the standard Caesar's layout here. And the room is very large as well. Everything is new, well maintained, and very clean. The king-size bed was quite comfortable. And just look at these views. Absolutely spectacular. This room overlooks the pool area, and we'll get to that later. Stunning at night as well. Other Caesar's resorts certainly don't have palm trees. This is the Rincon Reservation Road Brewery to the left, also known as the 3R Brewery. Welcome to Funner, California. This Harrah's resort is owned by the Rincon tribe and operated by Caesar's. You'll note a lot of llama theming throughout. There's a hotline to the mayor, and yes, you can pick up this phone and hear some pre-recorded messages from the current mayor, Martin Short. To the left of the main desk are the shops, restaurants, and the casinos to the right here. I stopped recording here for a moment since security is at the end of the hallway. Don't think they'd be too happy with me recording, but we'll pick this up on the way back. We typically ate at the cafe, which was very good, fresh, and reasonably priced. There was also a cute robot who brought your food out and announced, "Food is here." The cafe also had some llama theming in their dessert case. And to the left here is the cafe. I didn't get much video of it, but it's here at the Starter Restaurant Row. There are quite a few dining options, even a Hell's Kitchen, which is very good. A bit pricey, but worth it, especially if you're a fan of Gordon Ramsay or his TV show. And if this isn't enough, there's also walk-up counter dining options around the corner from Hell's Kitchen. Walking back towards the main desk with the restaurants and that security station behind us now. Here's that mayor's hotline again. Definitely give it a listen, some comedic gold right there. Resort Tower South was where our room was located at. Very convenient. Another quick serve restaurant here. Another hotel wing referred to as the Dive In. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. The reason this resort is so different and the best of all Caesar's resorts is day pass admission to the pool is rather expensive, currently $42 for weekdays and $53 on weekends, plus tax. They will not comp this admission either. But if you are a hotel guest, you do get free admission. There are some food options as well as a drink menu with wait service right to your lounge. Keep watching for the full tour. Thanks for watching. See you soon.